Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for coming through to watch my video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit, a standard oven. Sift in flour into a bowl. Add baking powder and continue sifting. Add bicarbonate of soda, a pinch of salt, sugar, lemon zest, which is optional, and stir or mix. Grate or cut into pea size the cold butter or margarine and mix it with your hands, like rub it between the palm of your hands. Check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. In a separate bowl, beat eggs, vanilla essence, buttermilk, then add lemon juice, which is optional. Stir. Mix the eggs with the flour. Apologies, I've lost the footage when I mixed. Once the dough comes together, sprinkle flour on a clean surface and place your dough. Sprinkle flour on the dough. Mold it and roll it to about 2 centimeters height. Dip a cookie cutter into flour, then cut the dough. Do not twist the cutter as you cut. Just cut directly straight and pick it up. Put the cut dough on a baking pan. If there is still dough left, repeat the process. Mold, roll, cut the dough, brush only the top of each dough piece with buttermilk or a beaten egg. Once they are baked, butter them while hot. That step is optional. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.